Do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. This beautiful painting didn't start out quite like this. When life gives you lemons, sometimes you have to make lemonade. So I'm going to walk you through the process. But first, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Garrick Brown Art Studio, aka the Feel Good Painting Station, and I just want to welcome all of my new subscribers to the channel and to the family. We have a ton of fun. But let's get into this painting. So today I am doing another comb over, and you're going to see some gorgeous purples and golds. My paint consistency was perfect. I mean, everything was just falling into place. I had done a couple of these, so I got my feet wet. I mean, everything sounds great, right? Well, everything just didn't go according to plan. So I will go through the colors in this video, and I will share the recipe because this recipe worked wonders. The paint stayed separated, and I really enjoyed doing this. And if you have a moment, head over to my new website and check me out. I have some great artwork up there and uploading more and more each week. Just support me if you will, and just buy a piece of art. I have releasing my t-shirt with my life motto on there coming really soon, so I'm really excited about that. So I wanted to use a variety of tools today. I got a gag gift during the Christmas season of a back scratcher, and I decided to use that today as well. So it was just a fun, free-flowing, just a good time in painting and just seeing what I was going to get. So this piece was a commission and it is sold. um, if you have a moment, please press the like button and subscribe and turn those bell notifications on. It's free for you and it really helps out my channel. I'm gonna let the music play. We'll catch up at the end and I hope you enjoy it. Wait, I forgot the music. Child, the more I tilted, the worse it got. I just couldn't get any type of movement, anything that looked good. Everything just got worse and worse. So as you can see, I got a little frustrated and just started throwing paint up there. The leftover paint at the bottom is from another pour that was a fail. And I just said, you know what? I'm not going to waste this paint. I'm going to do something with it. And Lord behold, this gorgeous swipe. So this piece was also resined. I wanted to show a little bit of the process as I showed you the colors. And I did some embellishing at the end. And I added some TLP pigment in my resin. And I just love the effects that it creates. My swiping tool is a damp paper towel. I used a spritzer bottle to get it damp but not too wet. And in my black paint, this is the same paint that I was using. I literally just added 2 very small drops of silicone oil and just a little bit of water to increase the flow to make sure that I could get the paint to swipe over all my colors. And that was literally it. If you made it this far, I could just give you the biggest hug because folk will leave your videos quick. They fast forward, they get to the part they want to see, and that's it, which I completely understand. I'm just joking. But I really do appreciate you watching. And another friendly reminder to do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. I will see you in another video very soon, my friends. Peace.